Hello everyone. Today myself I am Dr. Pratibha MK, Associate Professor, ATM College of Engineering, Mysore. Today I am going to explain 4th semester Microcontroller Lab 8th program. So in 8th program they are asked to perform the division operation on a 8-bit number by an 8-bit number. So before performing the division operation, you should know how the microcontroller works on the division instruction. So whenever you have to use the division instruction, whenever you have to use the division instruction, you have to use the register A and B. It is a mandatory. The A holds the dividend and B holds the divisor. So after performing the division, the quotient will be stored in A. The quotient will be stored in A and remainder will be stored in B. The remainder will be stored in B. So here we are going to store the respective quotient to R2 register and remainder in R3 register. So next one is the program. So the content of memory location H is moved to accumulator, which serves as dividend. The content of memory location 31st is moved to register, which acts as a divisor. Whenever division instruction is used to perform division, dividing the content of accumulator by the content of dividend, that is content of register B. After that, the quotient will be storing in a accumulator and remainder will be storing in a B register. We are going to transfer successive in memory location. First one indicate dividend, next memory location indicate divisor, and after that it indicate quotient, and after that remainder. So before executing this program, you have to take care. That is, additionally, you have to keep in mind that division by 0 is not allowed. So you can, the B register should not be loaded with a 0. If you allow to load with a 0, it creates an error. You know that any number divided by, whether it is 4 or 5 divided by 0, what is the result? Result will be infinity. This is not allowed. So you should be avoid. Now let us see how to execute this program by using an Keel software. So in that case, you have to, since it is an 8th program, you have to create a folder, corresponding folder in the, so on the desktop. So what is the experiment number? Experiment number 8. Then open this folder. Whatever the project you are going to create, everything should be stored under this folder. So now you have to create a project, new project. So where you have to store? You have to store in a experiment number 8. In experiment number 8, you have to create a project 8. So this is not any extension. Just to type a project name. The type of file is not required. Then save it. Next, you have to select the appropriate device. That is Atmel, and it will be equal to 89C51. Okay, then afterwards you have to type the program by using a toolbar. So you have to create this one. 8th one is a division of a program. So nothing but here. So already the logic of the program has been explained. Save this program as in the created folder, that is pr8.asm. Then save. So it is on the desktop. You have to bring it to the tool folder. That is, you have to go to this one. In the created folder, select the .asm file. Once you select, it will be appear on the source group. Next, you have to check whether it is an error free. So that can be done by using build the target. Once you use the build the target, it indicates it is an 0 error. Once it is an 0 error, then you have to give the data by using the memory window. So what is the memory location I have assigned? It is internal memory D:0X, then 030, enter. So now you can give the data accordingly. So I have explained on the PPT. I am going to give the data 52 divided by 4. So first I will enter dividend 52. Next in the memory will be incremented 31. I will enter the divisor. Then once you get, then after execution of your program, you have to get the quotient and the remainder. So you can run the program. So you are going to get the quotient as 14 and remainder as 2. That has to be stored in accumulator and B register, and that will be moved to the location 32 and 33H. So it has been memory location, it has been moved, but it is not indicating in the register. So in order to see the register content, what you have to do? Stop debugging. Once you stop the debugging, the A accumulator contain quotient and the register B contain 2. It is not required. One data is displaying in the memory location and other in register. Again, transferring of this data to working register is not required. Simply it is an excess of instruction. So that's why I will be stopping here after transferring the quotient and remainder in a memory location. This is about the division operation in a microcontroller. After that, you have to exit the microvision tool. Okay. So that is the normal way of shutting down. Thank you for watching.